Today, we're diving into the Corsair RM750 Series 750W Power Supply Unit, model CP9020234EU. This PSU is a standout component from Corsair, a brand known for its high-quality computer hardware. The RM750 series delivers a robust 750 watts of power, making it an ideal choice for high-performance personal computers. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or just someone looking to build a reliable PC, the RM750 has got you covered. One of the first things you'll notice about the RM750 is its compact design. Measuring 6.3 by 5.91 by 3.39 inches and weighing just 1.5 kilograms, it's easy to fit into a variety of case sizes without compromising on performance. The unit's sleek and durable build ensures that it not only looks good but also stands the test of time, providing consistent power to your system. The RM750 is fully modular, meaning you only need to connect the cables that your system requires. This feature not only simplifies the installation process, but also improves airflow within your case, reducing the potential for overheating. With fewer cables cluttering the interior, your build will look cleaner and perform better. Efficiency is a key factor for any PSU, and the RM750 does not disappoint. It boasts an 80+ Gold certification, which guarantees that it operates at high efficiency, reducing energy consumption and lowering your electricity bills. This certification means the RM750 can deliver up to 90% energy efficiency under typical loads, translating to less wasted power and more savings for you. Corsair has also equipped the RM750 with a high-performance fan that operates quietly even under heavy load. This is particularly beneficial for users who need a silent PC environment for tasks such as recording audio, streaming, or simply enjoying a quieter workspace. The fan features a 0 RPM mode, which ensures it remains off at low to medium loads, eliminating any unnecessary noise. Another notable feature is the RM750's reliable and stable power output. It's designed to handle the demands of modern, high-end components, ensuring that your CPU, GPU, and other hardware receive a consistent and clean power supply. This stability is crucial for maintaining system performance and preventing unexpected shutdowns or hardware damage. Corsair's commitment to quality is evident in the RM750's construction and features. The PSU is built with high-quality components, including 105 degrees Celsius rated capacitors, which enhance its longevity and reliability. Additionally, Corsair backs the RM750 with a comprehensive warranty, providing peace of mind and assurance of the product's durability. In summary, the Corsair RM750 Series 750W PSU is an excellent choice for anyone looking to build or upgrade their PC. Its combination of high efficiency, modular design, quiet operation, and reliable power delivery makes it one of the best options available in the market today. Whether you're setting up a new gaming rig, a content creation workstation, or just a reliable everyday PC, the RM750 is a power supply unit that you can trust to deliver outstanding performance. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.